I'm talking about the well-being of Ghanaians because we are the future of this nation. As you see me standing here today, whatever I am doing today will determine my future. So whatever our leaders are doing today in this country will determine the future of this country. That is why when this party came into power, they were complaining that the result of what the things of the past government has been the result of what they are enjoying today. I'll always say this, that the basic need of a Ghanaian is like a want of an American. The basic need of a Ghanaian is like a want of an American. You are acting like a gangster because it is a gangster only who never listen to any other person's opinion. Even a gangster, when his colleagues people talks to him, he at least consider their opinions. It is only a gangster who decide to do whatever he wants without anyone's opinion. That is what you are doing in Ghana. So, as the way, we will be stubborn and we will still be stubborn. Because me, I can't cool. But to say yesterday, me and me call NIA officer now. My many customers say what? Whatever they will do, they should do. Fuck Ghana. If the power is for you, do whatever you want. Xposed yes, no Ghana and beyond. I'm a Gina, me did the limo, Elikem Kwame, I'm a Ghana and some what Jimmy so said Ghana and some of the yet in some so, and manual 70 in summer el coso, our mining a fat a manual as some things that are governor, economical. We will bring it to you because yet Ghana in young Bamba say, yeah. And similar question and fire yet to mining or said the winner a catch. Yes, the president of Ghana, Nana Addo Akufo Addo. I can't mobile no I can't send me. What's the day? He says he's not going to reshuffle again. Just say ministers that what appoint you once some on pio. One couple say on some pio. If I'm being corrected, was say a because he knows his men are doing the work. Fine. But two questions the amount are these people really doing the work? Well, the government has said its own because on notice only conform you year a year Jumano. I mean, answer a member me book in seminar. The person a tea above from country here a brand new bar. Let's pass. With what the president has said, we have had ministers, government appointees, and politicians always raising concerns that the government should do reshuffle. Fine. In the statement of our president, I see the people who are unemployed or NDC caucus be and Abedina or Kase on one year reshuffle. Really? Reshuffle me or reshuffle why now say I'm paying or reshuffle be ewo amamoni mu a why the benya power why the benya that position when President Akufo Addo changes or reshuffles these ministers obako for NDC nya be ma post na obako for obi oye banker obi be ma the post na. So what is wrong for Ghanaians to say reshuffle? Then you come and tell us that people who are unemployed and now NDC for our own here and they cast on your reshuffle. Really? Is this how our president needs to talk to us Ghanaians? Fine. We have had ministers and politicians, Kennedy Japan, other people who are dignitaries or more MPP political party. The government needs to do reshuffle. Even the majority leader in parliament, Oche Mensa Bosu, yes, they have raised concern about the reshuffle because many will say, and people get a position, though they are MPP members, but position as ministers, they are not holding it well. It needs to be changed, Mr. President. Ghana, your minister see here, Jumani here. And then Ghanaians, the paper say reshuffle. And the reshuffle will not be our concern. Or is it because when you are reshuffling, you will be pushed to the wall to change Ken Oforiatta from his office? And when they have a problem, nana, it Ken Oforiatta or the Ghana or the bank, equity discounts of money, loans, and money. Since Ghana, Obenyana, also Sana, oh, none of you have a problem, nana. Come on, let's come to the fact. So let me tell you something. And you're bonny, and when this will say your president, because all reshuffle. It is not a sin. It is not anything bad that our president will say he is not going to reshuffle. And your problem. But one, I have to say only will be all. Now, we work company man, I'm we juma. Nani pam eka obia you nipa one particular person. They can say, oh, I see mercy, and a PR away juma, and a HR juma. Oh, I know dear, or you good, and ya dear Messi Sam. And yeah, dear, but 20 point say, oh, make crown bono already in my secret position because. My boss and I'm a manager, and you're okay with position I'm here than me holding on. It is very bad and a very political error for the party. Because this is not for the government, because for the party itself. Say grassroots for the demanded reshuffle. Say reshuffle system ni say oh man now will build kita position me now will cast we need these people. But these people and never want because say this may not be prefer to say president. You shouldn't even come out and tell us that you will not reshuffle. Just keep mute on this. Nobody will come and put a knife on your neck to reshuffle. Let people comment. Don't come and talk about this. But if you come and talk about it, I get benefit to those people who have been appointed. They have now come to know that oh, government are buying crown, or you're okay with our position, or you're okay with us. And now, have you have any deals with other of them in position? Hopefully, someone no more bad. About the government in one. Come on, Mr. President, were you truly the person who said he has the vigor and the right to handle people in this country? Then you are not. As a Ghana phone, I will handle you. You are not handling your appointees. You are handling Ghanaians. And I just want to use this word. However it will be. You are acting like a gangster. Because it is a gangster only who never listen to any other person's opinion. Even a gangster, when his colleagues people talks to him, he at least consider their opinions. It is only a gangster who decide to do whatever he wants without anyone's opinion. That is what you are doing, Ghana. Sana we Ghana. I have to say about it say a gangstership among and you poor Ghana. You can't be on kebi. We are raw so will discipline you. And Obia can agree without concerning the ideas or the mentality of the ordinary Ghanaian. But this is who we are in this country. What is wrong to reshuffle? They see a ministers, finance minister will say, oh, you can't just me because you don't need to reshuffle these people. Coming to the fact of it. Coming to say the fact of it. One part, especially this finance minister and the Greek minister. Oh, drop on my look back. Some cases, some vice president drop on no credit as a son of prayer. The constitution allows. What has the finance minister done for Ghanaians? Economically in the history of Ghanaians. Look at this agriculture minister. We have a poster man claiming himself to be an agriculture man of work. What work? Asset economy, a stock exchange area problem, not import stuff, eco problem, assassin area now. And I'm sure to you or Paba. Are we in the Israelite in the decades of this Israelite water or paper phone? Or my way as a my job pay. I need to mean Vivian. Now agriculture minister Bible complaining and talks anyhow. If these people needs to be changed, Mr. President, let it go well and change these people. I say, echo speech ni ya dos. The echo speech, mukasa ewa kumaso the children Ghanaians. Come on, there are solutions and better ways to solve this country's problems. There are solutions and better ways. Why are we going through these ways? As I say, Ghana for a main start to the state say you are paying for more bemu be kasakura. We expecting say omo chen kura na be kasa say no peche Ghana. Then you your own self come and talk to us anyhow. Now the people who are just MPP communicators or the government communicators, they don't know how to talk anymore. Utumuso will be a good communicator or the pedigree or the value say obey to defending the party or any government. But now they have turned to be stammerers. They can't talk anymore. They can't talk. Offer MPP ni and anybody in this government. So make kasamba na my one. Say enye intro no betwa. Or be kasama and man ye Ghana for ya because we blame to me anything. I always ought and I will stand that this constitution it needs to be changed. Because the appointees empower the president. That is what is leading us today. Because Obian will say all the power will belong to what? The president. It's Uber into power. You do whatever you want. And then go to US. Donald Trump. No appointee FBI on my boss when he was power. And that's how FBI boss no appointed no. As I'm a command. Say Yansin and go investigating on the field. And you pour Donald Trump field and your investigation on him. But if it was to be this country, and can Joe Biden back power, and call your 2 years now, your friend is saying, and call best FBI boss because you're not appointing, only by appointing in the opposition party. It also you. That is what is happening in this country. But when you go to America, it is not like that. And just that. He just ordered him. You went to man. Oh, I need to say what power so. And they do not drop the name. But can this happen in this country? I say IGP too. I was the president for or some IGP. Oh, be able also all stars. Why? What kind of country is this? And then to the extent say, with the history of Ghana, na yeko. First thing, as the also Kasacha Ghanaians. I almost been so my storm, almost register on Ghana card. Almost register on Ghana card. Before I even continue on that issue, I want to let you know, say, Edumako or the sponsors of this program is Neat Roofing. They said, don't call anybody to come and roof your building for you. Call them, they will be available for you. They will come and do the good job. Whatever you need concerning your building roofing, they will do it neatly for you. They will do it neatly. That is why they are called Neat Roofing. They do their job accurately. Call them. This is their number on the line, on the page. Just call them. Just talk with them and do business with them. And you will never be disappointed. Answer and message to us. It could be natural. But sorry and now. My Ghana card from 4th May. It's in the Ghana card. It's in my dream one. So there is a man who lives opposite my house. And I'm not going to come and acquire Ghana card. If you are couple sombra later. So they say, yes, I change it. Me draw na sister ni onipa na ho enhye me kwa me pono cast oh e bia wo de ni ndu e bia next 2 weeks na 1 week time. This is the statement she made. I said, bra me show September class April me nye po sure po September kwa ba ubenya o card because there is no card to print you people your Ghana card up information on it. There is no card. It's in hand. So the only question I asked the woman is say Ghana for NIA for na ekase. As the also na ekase. Obema sim registration e betwe. Say omo register. So what am I going to do? I say, hey, you know something? To what do you This is what this woman at the NIA office catch me say, oh, to what do you they know what they are doing. If you know what you are doing, and if you don't concern about Ghanaians, is this how you're going to treat us? Say na mobile share, say na mobile Ghanaians. Now you're mad threat, and I want to register Ghana card now, or credit, you better train in Pasabasa. You better say, I'm only going to send your mobile. Send your mobile to credit, no. Send your mobile, no. Muda only to send your mobile. And then I go management, I go talk. Seven silly talks to Ghanaians. And I want to register. Me na me pay me register myself. It is that no be able to see me any ID card no go register. Wakas me for me ID card and go register. Me dey say dey go register ID card. I dey to be a person kasa brel but you just say no man kwa na afi nipa bufu. I dey Ghana card no chese and the people you say Ghanaians. What kind of country is this? We dey mo yes stubborn. We are not being stubborn. No. It is just based on how you treat us. It is just based on how you treat us. I'm not being 18. Hey, on one day you we have says 40 million people crying. So 40 you see almost 42 people na Ghana networks one. That's a 40 million. Ya can and people register cat how to even get it. What is it? Addo. Now we are talking about say you be poor money year now. No pay be as well be can you pay. No problem. As the way we will be stubborn and we will still be stubborn. Because me and my cool. But to say yesterday, me and me call NIA office on now. My many customers say what? Whatever they will do, they should do. Fuck Ghana. If the power is for you, do whatever you want. What kind of country is this? I've done a simple procedure. I'll always say this, that the basic need of a Ghanaian is like a want of an American. The basic need of a Ghanaian is like a want of an American. And no matter I was saying, I was saying day by day, you provide a canon, I buy you want, we pray over it. Do you pray over basic needs? That is all our bad leadership is taking us to. When I stand here and I'm talking, I'm not talking for any NDC or MPP member, C people or whatever. I'm talking about the well-being of Ghanaians because we are the future of this nation. As you see me standing here today, whatever I am doing today will determine my future. So whatever our leaders are doing today in this country will determine the future of this country. That is why when this party came into power, they were complaining that the result of what the things of the past government has been the result of what they are enjoying today. You understand? If we have the right to talk to these people as much as we want, power and IMF alone because that money that IMF will give this party or will give this power and this will give to this government in power in 2 years, they will mismanage this money. Project Ben among country them yet to marry in this country under 2 years that. Project Ben with a more country them yet to marry under 2 years that. Dig Ghana Sika go for. I say me proof for my mic create that from what to actually because Ghana and 7 years ago I was see a year what I say yes from you see we want to see a better Ghana so that when we are talking we're talking about we will be the masterpiece here now you two man solution to this country. You understand? And the future of this world, the well-being of this state anything now how because what is concerned us. But we need a better Ghana. We need a good Ghana. A Ghana with good policies. Tell me as this government has come to power. You see one district, one factory. One district, one factory. Down near Equity and Cornoff. And then tree any dig home. And then do the new museum. And so Jatwa, name why you feel potol. And then one down. Sabo is, Tell me, what kind of factory have this government built apart from partnership or just going to help somebody to secure a loan to open a factory and about the business say one district, one factory, 1 million, 1 million, one district, what country is this? Ghana for even the free education here come. When the past government was telling us that we are not yet there for free education, people started bashing us. Last they say, I'm just getting this. They have this consider say Ghanaians like things that are free. So the moment you create a policy of something that is free in their mind, you use that thing free to conquer every sector. So when you be then you tell them somebody be free amount. This is what as a result that we are having. It meaning me what this question and the person I'm Ghana for who say how Akufo the papa to me do 1 year in power to me see and who revenge na the baby my what them to kupa no say I chere money am pay afefo that question am be say also tinas na dwen ho pa because at the rate they pay for the economy I know what dey because me kasa be bra e be ko echi aha I Xposed GH and Ghana and somebody amanu sema ekoso ye de be bro me am gina e dey the limo like am kwame ameda menia like it, comment, let's share what I mean. What I say, that's Sunday, you be say share. We will talk about the people. We will talk about the nation. We will talk and we'll never keep quiet. As we see something, we will say something. But they see something and say something. What no one can hear the house by and found we are the youth and we will stand for our nation. Just send them the position. Minya. Bye-bye.
Onyado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dan and a wasie and our pension papa a day apostle and a dan with Timona sensu to a nuno enuntia ma wona akwakoye bisi basa any and media sempa enam natural things a be more and some a day amasan crofoni na se to me canabra womo akache na womo MMS so how no ano emfa emau enunti for womo number e will screen no esuna any womo endi eye kasubu sasa womo adwuma so eninti no adansifo aje womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda